Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. Now that Apple's iOS 16 is here, almost every other iOS user is updating their devices, but for some reason some of them are facing issues. Many users will easily stuck in restore screen, and eventually, you came here looking for solutions. So, in this video, I will demonstrate 3 solutions for you. Alright, let's move on. Way 1. Force restart iPhone. Take iPhone 14 for example. Press and quickly release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button. Release the side button when the Apple logo appears. We can go to the home screen. This method sometimes doesn't work. You can try the next one. Way 2. Use iTunes. This time we need to use a tool called iTunes. The first thing we need to do is to connect your iPhone to the computer. Just open it on your PC. iTunes will pop up an update entry. Click Update button. After agreeing to the agreement, you only need to wait it to update your iPhone. It will take a long time. Remember to keep your iPhone connected to the computer. Now, let's check it out. Now you can see your iPhone land the home screen. Way 3. Use UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair is a professional repair tool that specializes in solving problems such as stuck on the restore screen. Follow me to try it. Just connect your iPhone and open UltFone iOS System Repair on your computer. Now we click Start button. Then click Standard Repair to proceed. This option will save your data. Then hit Download to download iOS firmware. Now you can click the Start Standard Repair and wait for it to update your iPhone. Well done. Let's have a look. This time we successfully come to the normal screen. It's so magical, right? So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.